Hey everybody, welcome and thank you for watching another one of my videos. This is Heat 2 of Round 5 at Cameron Park Racetrack. We're running with the tag 125 Opens, and once again, same as Heat 1, you're gonna pretty much see the same scenario. I have a really good start. My starts were actually pretty good. The starts in Tag Open compared to Tag Restricted, so much different. Tag Restricted, they're just a little less inexperienced, and they think if you jump start the starts, you've got an advantage and whatnot, where Tag Open, they know that they're in first. They're meant to be in first, so they can control the pace of the start as much as they want, and they know they'll still pretty much be in first because they know what they're doing essentially. So yeah, my starts in Tag Open are a lot better than what they were in Tag Restricted. Get a good start, and once again, first four to 5 laps are semi-decent. You do start to see around the 5th lap, a few laps, like say lap 4, lap 5, I start to lose a little bit of grip. And yeah, so what happens is it's really good for the first 2 to 3 laps. There's nothing wrong with the kart, and then all of a sudden there's no grip in the front, there's no grip in the rear. We realized that the grip in the rear was lacking because I had a puncher with a metal piece in the rear, and every left corner the rear would just slip on me because it was the puncher was in that right rear tire, so all the load was on the right rear for every left hand turn. So we realized that's why that was happening. We didn't realize until until the finals, so we didn't really counteract that. But by the end of the day, we realized, oh well, hang on, that's the reason why the rear was so lacking of grip. But the front, after like about the 5th lap, there was like no grip in the front. I had to really jerk the steering wheel to try and get the rear to jack, to get the fronts to dig in and bite, and get the rear to jack to get the kart to turn. So around that 5th lap, I was essentially having to change my whole driving style to fit how the kart was then handling. So you'll see that I'm with them for a fair bit up until around the 5th lap, and then it's just I'm struggling to control the kart and just losing pace because of the lack of grip. But anyway, please enjoy, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, hope you like the video.